Hey guys, and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the original Mi A1 versus the brand new Xiaomi Mi A2. Just wanted to see how much improvements Xiaomi has done in terms of speed and in terms of performance. So both of them are running their latest operating system, that is 8.1 Oreo. So let's start with the booting speed in 3, 2 and 1. And both of these phones are running on 4 GB of RAM, and the Xiaomi Mi A1 is having Snapdragon 625 processor, while the Mi A2 comes with Snapdragon 660 processor. Yeah, there's a huge difference, but we'll see that both of them are Android 1. That means both of them will get regular security patches and 2 years of major updates. The Mi A1 already got one major update, so the Mi A2 clear winner, guys. Okay, so there are no applications running in the background. Also, both of these phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. There is no SIM card inserted or network, and both of these are having only similar applications that will be used only for testing. Starting things with the system dialer in 3, 2, 1. The Mi A2 faster here, while the Mi A1 was a bit slow. Not a huge difference, guys. Let's open Messenger. Here we go. Both were equally same, no difference at all. Now let's open settings via quick setting panel in 3, 2, 1. The Mi A2 a little bit faster here, while the Mi A1 not far behind. Now we will open few third-party applications and games. Let's open social media applications, first off Facebook. Mi A2 ahead, while the Mi A1 bit slow, not a huge difference again. And yeah, let's open Instagram. There we go. Both were equally same. I think the Mi A2 was a bit faster here. Time for Snapchat. Mi A2. Let's open Discord. Mi A2 faster again. Okay, so let's open WeChat. Mi A2 way ahead, while the Mi A1 took a little bit time there. Let's open WhatsApp. Here we go. Okay, so Mi A2 clear winner. Let's now open Play Store. The Mi A2 faster again. Okay, so time for opening few games. There will see the real speed difference. First off, Alto in 3, 2, 1. And the Mi A2 has already completed the splash screen, while the Mi A1 also completed the flash screen and splash screen, and A2 faster, no doubt. Time to open Angry Birds. Here we go. The display on these smartphones are amazing, guys. I mean, just look at the quality. Even slow. Let's open Asphalt. And there is not a huge difference, guys. The A1 is actually doing a great job. Now let's open Pin Out in 3, 2, 1. So the difference is clearly visible. Let's open Subway Surfers. Okay, so A2 already started loading this game, while the A1 is not far behind. A2 ready to play, while the A1 bit slow. Now let's open Worldlings. So both were equally same, guys, no difference at all. And as you can see, there's empty space in the Mi A2 because this game is not for 18:9 screen, not configured for that. Let's open at last PUBG. There we will see the real speed difference in 3, 2, 1. And if you are planning to upgrade your Mi A1 to Mi A2, definitely worth upgrading. The A2 is way faster in terms of speed, and the camera is also great. So you can upgrade. It's not like that. It is worth upgrading, guys. As you can see, the splash screen is over in the Mi A2, while it's still on the logos in the A1. Okay, so Mi A2 has completed everything while the A1 is slow. Great. Now let's do the RAM management test. There we'll see if any smartphone has refreshed any applications or not. Starting things with phone dialer. Both of them has refreshed the phone dialer. Messenger. Okay, so Mi A1 kept the messenger while the A2 actually refreshed the messenger application. Let's open settings. Both of them refreshed the settings. And time for Facebook. The Mi A1 actually refreshed Facebook application. Snapchat. Both of them reloaded the Snapchat again. Subway Surfers. Okay, so Mi A2 actually loaded the Subway Surfers again, and that is a major RAM management issue, guys. The Mi A1 actually doing a great job in terms of RAM management as compared to the Mi A2 right now. Pin out. So there we go. A2 actually reloaded the pin out again. Let's open Angry Birds. So here we go again, guys. The Mi A2 reloaded the Angry Birds again while the Mi A1 is still keeping all the applications in the memory. Really great to see. Impressed with the Mi A1 right now. Going great. Let's open PUBG. Okay, so both are there. I hope Xiaomi rolls the RAM management fix update really soon. Discord. Both reloaded this application, but really shocked to see Xiaomi Mi A2 actually reloaded the Angry Birds and pin out, and at last open Wildlings. So both are there. Okay, so in terms of opening speed, the Mi A2 is faster. When it comes to opening animations, the Mi A2 is faster. But when it comes to RAM management, the Mi A1 is way ahead in terms of RAM management. I mean, this thing is getting better and better with the software updates. It is running the latest 8.1 Oreo right now. So I think in future Xiaomi is going to roll out a new update for the Mi A2 also, and that is going to fix the RAM management issues. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be also doing a speed test comparison between the Mi A2 versus the Moto G6, Moto G6 Plus, and many other smartphones. I will be also doing a camera comparison. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching and peace out.